What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another throwback video. One of my favorite cars that I had. This one was my very first G35. I actually like the G35s. If you ain't checked out my red custom G35 I had candy painted video, make sure you check that out. But this was my first G35. It was a 2003 G35 Coupe. The only thing about this car was that it had 228,000 miles. That's right, 228,000 miles. But as you can see, the body and everything was still in good shape. This was a very nice car, man. I actually drove it around for a little minute. It only took me like maybe a week. I was about to say about 2 weeks, but it probably took me about a week to sell this car. This boy was clean, man. I wanted a G35 for a long time, so when I got this one, I actually kind of wanted to keep it. As you can see, the inside was very nice, very clean, but I didn't wind up keeping it. I just went ahead and sold it. I paid $24.25, so that's $2,425 for this car. So I thought it was a pretty good deal at the time, especially for a G35. I still think it was a pretty good deal, even though it had 228,000 miles on it. But you guys let me know what you think. I did wind up selling this car for $3,100, so we made a little profit. I think the window didn't work or something like that. That was the only thing about the car. But as far as like the AC and everything worked just fine. I just believe just the window didn't work, but it was a very nice car, man. Like I said, this was my first G35, and I actually still to this day like the G35s. But yeah, man. As you can see, I think I showed a dash. Yeah, 228,000 miles. So yeah, man, this was a very nice car. But again, man, I thank y'all for watching another video. Let me know what you guys think. You think I paid too much? You think I could have got more for it with the miles? Like I said, I got 3,100. Just let me know what you guys think. Make sure you subscribe, like, hit that notification bell. Got way more content coming for you guys very soon. You will not regret it. Make sure you hit that notification bell. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.